Welcome back to another video on the Saxon Insurance Brokers channel. This one again is about Collection Cover, our new high-value digital insurance platform. If you are a collector of art, jewelry, handbags, watches, memorabilia, interesting stuff like that, this video is for you. And today I'm going to talk about how you can save money on your insurance. Now, who doesn't want to save money on insurance? First off, you will have home and contents insurance most likely, and if you have anything interesting, you might have tried to add it. You might be insured to add those things onto your home insurance, but there are reasons why you should not insure your valuable items on your home insurance. First off, if you have a fairly basic home insurance policy, they're not designed for these kind of high value collectible items, and therefore they can be very expensive. So breaking these items off your home and contents insurance might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it's not. You can save money by bringing them off onto a specialist collectible policy like collectioncover.com, and you can therefore get better cover with lower premiums. And that brings me on to the next point, which will also help, once you've done this, save you further money. Now, that will be what we call an in-safe limit. Now, if you insure items that are best kept in the safe when you're not using them, such as jewelry and watches and things like that, then our policy and platform allows you to tailor make your policy to how it suits your lifestyle. If you only take a few items out of the house at any one time or out of the safe at any one time, then you need an in-safe limit, meaning that you put X amount into the safe and it covers you for Y amount when you leave the house with those items. For example, if you've got 10 watches and you only ever wear 2, you only need to insure 2 out of the safe. The other 8 can stay in the safe, and they are rated accordingly, meaning your premium comes right down, because to the insurer there's no exposure or very little exposure while they're in the safe, maximum exposure when they're out of the safe. The last thing, a great way to save money on your insurance further, is what we call an excess. Now, everyone's heard of an excess in insurance. Now, in the collectible space that we operate in, you actually have a nil excess as standard, meaning you can bump this up if you're not really a claimer or you only want it for catastrophes or tragic losses. Then you can bump up your excess between £500 and £5,000 and save money every year. If you don't claim very often, then this is a great way to save money, because every single year you will save money if you put a voluntary excess onto your policy, whereas you may not claim every year, so you don't suffer the loss of having to pay an excess on every claim. So they are 3 great ways of getting your money back in your pocket with insurance. Collectioncover.com is where you need to go to tailor make your collectibles insurance. You can get a quote in 60 seconds on your phone, and you can buy insurance in minutes. There's no upfront requirement to give us valuations and all that kind of stuff. And there's loads of other interesting videos coming on this channel, so stay tuned on the best way to insure with collectioncover.com.